So welcome back, folks. So tonight we have a cocktail called a Dubliner. And a Dubliner is a twist on a Manhattan. Manhattan's obviously a classic drink, it's been around forever and ever, but this one introduces a couple cool things. All right, so it's 4 ingredients, pretty simple. We're gonna start off, we have orange bitters. These are Regan's orange bitters. This is made by Buffalo Trace, great company. We have red vermouth. This is Martini and Rossi. And of course, Dubliner, you think of Ireland, and Ireland, you think of Jameson Irish Whisky. So that's going to be our main alcohol of the cocktail. And then you have Grand Marinier, which is an orange liqueur that is cognac and a bitter orange put together to make a sweet thing. Okay, expensive. This bottle is $45 and it's a regular $7.50, and we're going to use half an ounce. This would be one where finding that 375 or that smaller bottle would probably be unless you're going through a lot of it, it's a little pricey. All right, so let's start with our Jameson. We're going to use 2 ounces of Jameson Irish whiskey. Now you could use any other Irish, or heck, I mean any other whiskey for that matter. But 2 ounces into our mixing glass with ice cubes. Half an ounce of our red vermouth, just barely there. Half an ounce of the Grand Marnier. There we go. And then 3 dashes of our orange bitters. Now you don't have to use Regan's orange bitters, just an orange bitter. 3 shots, there we go, 3 dashes. All right, with our bar spoon, we're gonna mix it up as we retrieve our trusty, if you've watched the channel, it's a Whisky. This is a Nick Nora glass. The shape is the Nick Nora. It doesn't have to be Whisky. I'm not sponsored by those guys, I just like the stuff they make. All right. So swirling it around dilutes it a little bit, chills the cocktail down. That's why we don't have to use an ice cube with it. So, Hawthorne strainer, classic piece of bar essential hardware. And into our Nick and Nora we go. Outstanding. Now, when I found this recipe, it called for a green maraschino cherry to be put across the skewer. I'm like, I don't have any green maraschino cherries. I don't remember the last time I saw green maraschino cherries. So what's in the drink? Well, we got orange that's in the drink. Well, we're gonna take a little bit of an orange peel here and just add it into the cocktail. And there you go. The Dubliner, folks. A twist on a Manhattan. Great cocktail. Easy to make. The only issue is that darn price of the Grand Marnier. You could also sub out another orange liqueur, but I wanted to make it kind of as it was written. But here you go. The Dubliner. Cheers. Stay safe. Enjoy.